back to my channel! So anyway guys, ang video natin for today is ang farm tour! You know what? Hi guys, it's there in the soil, in the pumping soil, in the water, in the fresh of earth. And so no guys, it's a ball making ball, fish ball. And so hampak to you now. And hampak this, hampak to this, hampak to everyone, and hampak to my face. Charot, ayoko to face. So guys, I want to swim in there. And coconut tree. Coconut. Coconut this and coconut cream. You know guys.
A few moments later.
And come and get it to Sapa. You know. Let's go guys. Come and guys. The soil is to pumping guys. It's so very malamig guys, you know what. Come to me guys, come. Hey, yeah! Let's go guys, come. Hi guys, hindi pa rin tayo
One eternity later.
So anyway guys, nandito tayo sa Rice Terraces Balls. And the balls of the balls ring natok. Ring echo bell. Yung may-ari ng palay wala na dito, kanina nandito siya. And so it's time to siraan ang palay. Charot. Hindi namin siraan, bababa kami. Let's go guys, come to me. I want to show my Bodha! And so guys, malapit na kami sa Taytay ng Pampanga Rizal. Mali po yung dinaanan namin guys. And so malapit na rin.
Eventually.
Mga kababayan, and there in the spirit island of Cebu Pacific Ocean. Charot. What? Shut up, Vanilla! Let's go into the
Gecko!
Let's go in the crowd city, guys. And there the payag the sapa, and you know what? And this is nasa moon kami, tutubsok namin yung ano namin, yung mapa. Ha! My God! Bahala naman dyan. And there guys. It's there in a sapa! And there in a blue sea ocean. Charot. And there guys, in the sapa, nandito na kami ngayon and papakilala namin yung lahat ng produce, and you know that the produce is called
A few inches later.
Sapa Riverside, and this charot. Let's go guys, walking in the Sapa River.
Seashore?
Shh. Enter the house. Come to me. And this day, makikita natin yung mga rice ball and rice terraces. I believe I can touch the sky. Everybody. It's so guys in the beautiful garden of Green Garden Ocean. It's called functionality of the brain, not brain damage in their grass. So it's there a Joe's curving line.
A few inches later.
Guys, in the Sapa River, in there one house. And wow, One people in this. And there, guys, it's star crapple mango. It's star crapple. It's there in the leaves. Pakita. In the leaves, people, right now. It's there. Under the Pinya-Pinyahan land. Enter in the Pinya land.
Balinghoy. Kasaba.
Cassava cake with there is cassava cake. So guys, walang yapo kami. Nagtutour kami kahit hindi amin ang lugar na to. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come and get it to Parasite Island. Come to this land. Guys, it's a mango fruit. Fruity like a mango juicy fruit. So guys, in the place, children do not do this in the home without permit of the youngest children in your house.
Permission.
Pagdumpat ko ito ang sakan. Come in this guys today. Aray! Come in this way, guys. Hunt! Jump! It's wala lang. There are guava melon, coconut. It's there in I don't know. It's so guys, come to me guys. Come in my house. Wala kaming dadaanan. So guys, come to the house in heaven above. Heaven above without your heaven above. It's guys, it's legal to stop. Guys, in the Sever Seas with Blue Fountain Ocean. Tabi-tabi po. Makikidaan lang po. How's my girl? So Jerry Jarty skin, dirty skin. Wow! In the rivers ka. Ganda dito guys eh. Let's go. Let's go guys. Let's go. Weh! It's there in the lawa guys. Lawa with sapot ng gagamburn. Guys, going into the quack quack in BB quack quack. Let's go into the dakop BB quack quack. So kakapagod guys, kakapagod. And there guys, para makauna ako doon. It's where to run the system of us. You heard that guys? It's a Toronto. Come para mas mabilis tayo, maiwan siya. Paglabot ko tayo, patyon mo. Bye bye guys. Come to guys in the BB Ocean. And so guys, it's there in Palayan Riverside from the ocean. It's guys, yung tubig dito is connected to the Singapore Ocean. So guys, It's time to bunlaw-bunlaw muna guys. It's our activity time. And so guys, in the BB Land camp. Alright guys. You want to walk in that? So guys, ayoko nang umakyat pa ng backs kasi you know, dumi-dumi ko na. Come. Enjoy guys, it's in the you know what, it's the Pamunlaw time. Save good time. Save the time. So guys, in the labhang, in the pumpkin soil is the rice leaves with leaves carb, and there in the rice and coming up. Picture connect, save that. Guys, that's the end of the video. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And leave the comments down below. And see you soon in my next vlog. Bye!